Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future content. And for those of you who are already part of our awesome community, thank you for your continued support. Today, I am super excited to talk to you about the outdoor portable plastic folding retractable beach chair. This amazing chair is perfect for all of your outdoor adventures, whether you're camping, traveling, fishing, or hiking. It's super lightweight and extendable, making it easy to carry and set up wherever you go. One of the reasons I love this chair is because of its durability. Made from high-quality plastic, it's built to withstand the wear and tear of any outdoor environment. Plus, the retractable design means you can easily adjust the height and recline for maximum comfort. Another great feature of this chair is its portability. When you're done using it, simply fold it up and it becomes incredibly compact, making it a breeze to transport and store. And who doesn't love a space-saving solution, right? But the best part? You can get your hands on this fantastic chair by clicking the link in the description below. With its affordable price and incredible functionality, it's a no-brainer. Trust me, once you have this chair in your outdoor arsenal, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So what are you waiting for? Click that link and treat yourself to the ultimate outdoor relaxation experience with the outdoor portable plastic folding retractable beach chair. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.